Wishing you could turn those pixelated snapshots into stunning masterpieces? Well, my friends, this video is for you. In this video, I'm introducing a revolutionary tool that transforms blurry photos and video into 8K masterpieces. No special training needed, just a few clicks and a touch of curiosity. Ready to turn those frustrating photos into works of art? Let's dive in. The tool we're talking about is called Winxvideo AI. You will find the link in the description box. After launching the software, you will notice a few tools. First is Image AI, and then Video AI. And also able to convert audio and video to any format, such as MP4 format, H.264 codec, MP4 format for iPhone, MP4 format for Android, and many more. And also available for audio formats such as MP3, M4A, WAV, and many more. Video Downloader. With this tool you can download any video with just a URL. Screen Recorder, a particularly useful tool especially for bloggers and those recording video tutorials. With this you can record your computer screen or specific part of it. It also supports a built-in autoscaler on multiple monitors and allows cropping the capture area. Additional features include the ability to record simultaneously from the webcam and desktop, as well as audio from the system or an external microphone. Well, in this video I will explain in detail about Image AI and Video AI. First we start with Image AI. So, let's check this tool with a real-life example. First, import an image. You can upload images by clicking here, or you can drag and drop them here. As you can see, I have a low-resolution image. Let's try to upscale it. Once imported, you'll be presented with a convenient side-by-side preview of both the original and the upscaled image. Okay, now let's dive into the key settings. First, there is the AI model. Here you will find 4 different AI models: Gen Detail version 2, Real Smooth version 2, Anime, and ZYXT. You can select any one according to your image. Gen Detail V2 seems appropriate for my image, so I'm selecting it. Then Model Setting. You can upscale your image up to 4x with this scale model. And you can transform your low-quality image up to 8K resolution with this resolution option. The difference is in front of you. Next, Export Settings. Select the output format of your image. Here you will see 2 formats, JPEG and PNG. Select any one as per your choice. Select an output folder, where you want to export or save your images. When everything is done, click the Run button to render the image. Be patient during processing, especially if your GPU is not particularly powerful. The more powerful your GPU, the faster it's processing. So the image is ready, let's take a closer look. Okay, now let's try a human picture. I think this is one of the most powerful upscaler software in the world. Be sure to comment what you think. With Winxvideo AI, you can also upscale your low-quality videos. But without a powerful GPU, this process can be challenging. Okay, let's try a video. In case of video, you will get some additional features like high-quality mode, fast mode, frame interpolation, and stabilization, which will make your video smooth and super high quality. And also you will get scale mode and high resolution mode. Click the frame interpolation checkbox to set the FPS in your video. Now you can set FPS up to 5x. And you can also add slow motion in your video. Turn it on for video stabilization. Now select stabilization mode and preset. And then click the Analyze button. And in the export settings you'll find options to customize the video codec, audio codec, and quality level. Video export time will depend on your GPU. The more powerful your GPU, the shorter the rendering time. Okay, the video is ready. Let's see the difference before and after the video. Thank you for watching this video, hope you like it. If so, please give the video thumbs up and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any AI related videos. And don't forget to comments if you have any problem or opinion. Okay, see you soon in another new AI video. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, goodbye.